People say I'm lazy. I disagree. Laziness is defined as unwilling to use energy. I work smarter, not harder. How? Time management. Even some sentences are too long. Step 1. Feed dog. Clean floors. Walk dog. The way I see it, preparedness equals success. Having all the ingredients for a meal delivered at your doorstep, perfectly portioned. Every year, 100,000 people get injured in the kitchen. Not I. Setting the table can be such an inconvenience. Watch this. Brownies! Things are hot. Okay. You didn't think I could plan a party in 20 minutes, did you? Last step, outsourcing. Can't do everything by myself, and teamwork makes the dream work. I think that's them. It's not all perfect.